Someone somewhere decided that borrowed grime was the perfect marketing strategy for a piece of cheap metal that costs less than a cup of coffee. You have seen the ads flashing across your screen lately. They show decades of deep set filth vanishing from a concrete driveway in a single, satisfying swipe. It looks like a miracle, but when you peel back the layers of this viral cleaning tool, the miracle starts to look a lot more like a classic bait and switch. This nozzle claims it can transform your standard garden hose into a professional, high-powered pressure washer. Let's talk about the reality of your outdoor spigot for a second. Your home water line pushes out maybe 60 pounds of pressure per square inch. A real pressure washer is a different beast entirely. It uses a heavy internal motor. It cranks that pressure up to 3,000 pounds. No tiny attachment on Earth can bridge that gap. It is a physical impossibility. You cannot manufacture power that is not already in the line. The nozzle just narrows the stream to a thin point. Sure, it feels punchier. It shoots a bit further than a normal spray head. But it is not a pressure washer. I spent some time digging into the company website. The red flags were everywhere. Click the buy button, and you are gone. You are not even on their site anymore. You get bounced to a third-party affiliate page. That page handles everything. They take your money. They handle the shipping. The original brand washes its hands of the whole transaction. They even admit it in the fine print. The whole page is an advertisement. It is not a news report. Then there's the cost. They want you to pay $60 for this miracle tool. I found the exact same nozzle on wholesale sites for about $2. You are paying a massive markup for a fancy name and a fake countdown clock. Those incredible before and after photos, they were stolen from unrelated cleaning companies. Those companies used actual professional equipment. It is all a show. It is a $2 part wearing a $50 costume. The internet is full of these templated drop shipping pages. They change the name. They clone the site. They run the same ads every single year. They rely on fake urgency. They tell you stock is low. They tell you the discount is about to expire. It never expires. Even the top search results for reviews are just more affiliate pages designed to trick you. They are all in on the game. I do this research so your wallet stays safe. It is exhausting to keep up with these gadgets. One day it is a nozzle. Next week it will be a revolutionary heater or a magic light bulb. The pattern is always the same. If it sounds too good to be true, it is probably just a cheap piece of metal with a great marketing team. Don't fall for the hype. Save your money for a tool that actually does the job. If you found this investigation helpful, consider using the links below to support the channel. Even a basic purchase through a referral helps keep these deep dives going. It is a simple way to fight back against the flood of expensive garbage. Stay skeptical out there. Keep questioning the claims you see on your feed. I will keep looking under the hood so you can keep your hard-earned cash where it belongs.